कविता जी, बॉलीवुड भाषा कॉन्सर्ट आज लेस्ली लेविस परफॉर्म करे इस कॉन्सर्ट में और आप इसका हिस्सा है, कैसा महसूस हो रहा है?
आई रियली थिंक दैट बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स जो होते हैं वो एक अलग आप में एनर्जी देते हैं आपको, एक दे गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ एड्रेनालिन गश एंड आई थिंक लेस्ली इज ऑसम व्हेन ही डज various songs which he performs, and one of them which I really like is like Dam Maro Dam in his own version and Pari Hu Main, and I think he has his own the voice has a very different texture which is so beautiful, and I really want to hear him and I want to enjoy and clap and cheer for him.
लेस्ली लेविस जो है अपने चुनिंदा गानों के लिए माने जाते हैं, उन्होंने कुछ ऐसे गाने कंपोज किए जो आज भी क्या नाम है लेजेंड है, तो आप आज इस पर क्या करेंगे, किस तरह के गाना सुनना पसंद करेंगे?
I think romantics, and Leslie definitely has a very beautiful voice which will suit to that, and he has a very good slang to it which I really like, and I'm just gonna sit back and enjoy.
बॉलीवुड बादशाह ये जो कॉन्सर्ट हो रहा है, लेस्ली लेविस जो लाइव परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, ये आज पहला शुरू हो रहा है टैप रेस्टो बार पे। इस प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Oh, it's beautiful. This property is really huge, and it's demarcated into different zones where you can dance, you can sit and chill, and you can listen to music. Like right now, they've like made a stage and band for Leslie, and it's very creative actually. When you go into an atmosphere which is equally creative and equally beautiful, it really gives you a very wholesome feeling to sit and enjoy. Thank you.
आप इसका हिस्सा है, कैसा लग रहा है सर?
I'm really elated and we're very overwhelmed with the response that we've got. 7 o'clock and it's a full house. We were expecting it, but we're not really expecting a full house. It's 7 o'clock, and Leslie is quite energized. He's definitely going to give in a really dhamakedar performance. So that's what's in store for tonight.
What do you think? आज की जो नाइट है वो किस तरह से बीतने वाली है? लेस्ली आज अपने ऑडियंस को किस तरह से इंतजार करेंगे?
Like I mentioned earlier, what Leslie has come up with is a whole new avatar. It's no more Leslie Lewis that you knew from the Colonial Cousins. It's Leslie Lewis 2016, the Bollywood Badshah. He's going to give you music which you already knew, but with a different twist, with a different taste. Like I said, it's going to be maybe a Dam Maro Dam with a rock music on the background. It could be another Bollywood hit with salsa or with pop, and that's going to basically it's targeting all audiences. We're looking at the young, we're looking at the youth, we're looking at the old, we're looking at the corporates, and yeah, it's going to be a very energizing night. Savio बिल्कुल नहीं perform कर रहा है. Leslie is definitely doing his old classic hits from Dam Maro Dam to Pari Hu Main, Yaro Dosti, but there's some great surprises in store which we don't want to spoil. We want you to watch it for yourself. I love what he's done with all his tracks, because I spent around like 3 hours in the studio. But I like what he's done with Dam Maro Dam, and it's so different, because when the track starts, you follow a certain artist and you know that, oh, this artist, I know who's singing it. But every of his new tracks, when he starts it, you don't know it is Leslie Lewis. You're wondering what song it is. So that's the whole idea of the new flavor to what Leslie Lewis has got from Mumbai City and India. Thank you very much.
Yes. We want to hear that applause. Come on, everybody. Siti Bazao. He's won the Billboard Awards in Las Vegas, MTV Award in New York, and is the only band to perform on the original MTV Unplugged in London. Ladies and gentlemen, the legendary Leslie Lewis. Make some noise!
Performing for you guys at TAP, at this lovely new place at Sakinaka. I mean, I thought it was such a great club. And they said, will you come and perform? And I said, hey, why not? And this all happened like 4 5 days ago. So it's just very last minute, very impromptu. And I said, okay, we'll just come and perform. So thank you for coming. Thank you, TAP, for having me here. And, of course, Savio Desa is always there. And there's Narad PR, who's always rocking the house. Anyway, the less I say, the better. So I'm sort of, everybody keeps saying you sing nice songs. So I'm Bollywood gaate nahi. So I said, at the end of the day, I have been jude out with Bollywood right from the beginning. When my dad, P.L. Raj, has been one of the biggest choreographers in Bollywood. So Sholay, Sargam, Kheke Pan Banaras, Yahoo, Jungli, Dawn, I mean everything. And I grew up with Helen Auntie, and I grew up with, R.D. Burman, and I grew up with Lakshmikant Pyarlal, and, Kalyanji Anandji. I was like the kid of my dad being told, don't disturb, hum log kaam kar rahe, chup chap baitho. So I had to learn, I was around. And I learned a lot of things, and when I reinvented music in my own way, they called it remixes. So that was the first album I did with Asha ji. It was called Rahul and I, and it's Piya Tu Ab To Aaja, O Mere Sona. So I did it my way. I did Bollywood my way. And when I did Coke Studio again, so with Coke Studio again, you would have found songs like, O Maaji Re and Tum Jo Mil Gaye Ho, and all these lovely songs from Bollywood, which I did it again my way. And I found that everybody seems to like this my way thing. So I said, so everybody says, sir, aap next album kab kar rahe hain? And I said, मैं album नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं अब live performance करूँगा आपके लिए Bollywood my way. So we'll all have fun, and a lot of people ask me, why aren't you remixing the new songs? And I said, it's like you just met this new girlfriend and you just fallen in love, and next day she comes with a new haircut. You guys said, yesterday you were looking awesome.